When the pandemic hit its breaking point in spring of 2020, Powering Chicago looked at how it could help its customers throughout Cook County. And what we came up with was the Contactless Office campaign.
Contactless applications are really a subset of what we train for in general. Here at IBW Technical Institute,
We're going to see that start to increase.
The BlueCross BlueShield building in downtown Chicago is a perfect example of how we've had to change protocols to make workers safer in their office space.
We were running probably 5,000 people through the turnstiles every day. Once it hit, we were down to 50 people in the building.
That immediately opened the door for the real estate division to step in to take proactive measures to make the building safer.
So Powering Chicago has taken this safety principle to a new level, and that all starts at the IBEW Technical Institute in Alsip, where our Local 134 electricians are trained through a 5-year apprenticeship program.
First learning how to bend a pipe, first learning how to wire up a motor control circuit. Now you want them to take it further. How can we start to incorporate contactless devices?
I teach an advanced lighting control class, and the lab right next to the lighting lab is building automation.
Devices that will sense us due to proximity, due to motion.
Lighting control, security, HVAC, all these systems are kind of joined together, through the use of electricity.
one of the reasons why this education that exists here at IBEW Technical Institute is so good
is the input that both Local 134 and the Electrical Contractors Association has in the curriculum, in the way that our electricians are trained.
Having the union oversight to ensure the proper training to where they can fulfill their jobs on a daily basis safely and efficiently and effectively makes my job extremely simple.
Without power, is a maglock opener.
Our instructors definitely go above and beyond for the industry, for the local, and the contractors. It's a beautiful relationship that the ECA of Chicago has with Local 134.
We've had the opportunity to work with both Terrence Electric and Gibson Electric for over 20 years. One of the things that we've leveraged all the different trades in the building, especially Local 134, was to help us install temperature reading scanners in all of our properties.
We upgraded our card access system. People won't have to become in contact with different switches, doors.
Clients big and small throughout Cook County have a need for contactless entry points and other contactless office features to make their employees feel safe. And then also various other contactless touching points, the restrooms and others as well.
We contracted with Gibson Electric to provide a building-wide antenna system for cellular coverage, a distributed antenna system.
DAS systems have become really popular, not only in Chicago, but around the country. A lot of high-rise buildings have selected integrators to bring in a distributed antenna system within the building to improve the overall cellular coverage that the tenants and occupants of the building can have.
One of the things we're better known for in this building is the signage we put out. We mark different occasions, good causes.
One of our foremen with Terrence Electric came up with the idea to start the lighting displays. It gives us a great sense of pride that our tradesmen can support BCBSL and their mission to support our communities.
The available workforce that we have from 134 as an ECA NECA contractor and our partnership with the union here in Chicago gives us a leg up on anyone around the country.
A lot of these devices cost a lot of money, and of course our installation and our knowledge is second to none as far as this experience and the importance of proper installation.
This training facility is excellent, and our apprentices have been trained very well in the past and going forward, so they were very prepared for the pivot to a touchless society.
This is something that we've been doing, for several years here at the apprenticeship school. I'm biased. Electricians are smart people, will figure anything out, and based on all that training and dealing with change, it kind of shortens that learning curve.
What I'm learning here at IBW is going to make the public safer.
If we're doing something for the ECA, we're doing something for the local as well. So it's mutually beneficial.
I definitely have a lot of pride in what work I do, especially in the city of Chicago, because we're Local 134. We are the best out there.
The germiest places in the office are elevator buttons, door handles, and desktops. To avoid transmission, frequently wash your hands or use alcohol-based hand sanitizers or wipes.